The number one question I get from other people when they ask me, Haley, how can I make money online the easiest in 2020? And I tell them, make a YouTube channel. The first thing they say is, well, I have nothing of value to give people. I don't even know what type of channel to create. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna give you 20 legit channel ideas that are actually ready to explode in 2020 in very popular hot niches, and also channels that can actually give you money outside of just Google ads, aka the ads you see on YouTube videos. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Haley and I teach influencers how to grow their social platforms and also make an income online. So if you're new, go ahead and click the subscribe button below, like this video, and let's go ahead and get started. The very first channel idea is a planner channel. So if you guys are someone that is very organized, someone that plans out your week to a T, and if you just know exactly how to get things done very efficiently, people actually go to YouTube to look up how to plan their week or how to plan their day hour by hour. You could create a planner channel and also sell some type of digital course teaching people how to plan their week. This is actually a very viable business opportunity for 2020 and has been for the last couple years, but just search on YouTube planning my week or plan with me and you will see a ton of very viral videos all about how to use a planner effectively. The next channel idea is how to study. So this is something that you might think if you're in college, no one would ever want to look that up. They'd rather just study. Well, honestly, you might be very wrong about that. So if you just go on YouTube and type in how to study or how to get straight A's or how to effectively study for a test, how to study for midterms, you will see a giant niche on YouTube that is dedicated to teaching people how to effectively study. So with all of these types of channel ideas, I really want you guys to get as niche as possible. So you might think that the more views and the more attraction you get to your channel, the more money you make, but I promise you that is not the case always. So the more niche you get, the better, because when you're very focused in a certain niche and you're targeted towards one type of person, you can eventually sell them systems, online programs, a coaching package, or a one-on-one service package, and those people are way more likely to buy because you are speaking directly to them. So if you started like a budgeting channel all about how to budget for military families or how to budget for stay-at-home moms, you could target that one specific person and all of your videos would talk to that person, cater to that person's needs and all of their problems, and then when you go to sell them on some type of like online course or a coaching thing, then your audience would be much more likely to buy. The fourth channel idea would be a mommy channel. So this is something that I obviously had to put in there because I have a mommy channel, a motherhood and lifestyle channel as my main one. And this is a very hot niche. I actually got started in this niche when it was really just the butt of it. Now it is completely, I guess, bloomed. And there are so many mommy channels that are popping up left and right that their videos are going viral on. So like I said, the more niche, the better. I obviously have a lifestyle brand because that's something that I've learned through trial and error over. But if I were starting a mommy channel now, I would go very, very niche. So I would talk about maybe budgeting tips for moms, or even like specifically baby care videos. So videos all about how to prepare and raise a newborn baby. Maybe a channel all about baby sleep, or even maybe toddler development, how to stimulate babies' brains. You could talk all about children, or you could talk about moms' needs. So maybe self-care habits for moms, meal planning for moms on a budget or for large families. You can really get niche with this and play into so many different problems that moms have. The fifth channel idea is a fitness channel. So I'm not just gonna throw out there a fitness channel and have someone go create a fitness channel that is literally trying to cater to everybody. That is not what I want you to do, because obviously fitness in itself is oversaturated, but like people say, riches are in the niches. So if you create a fitness channel for people that have never worked out a day in their life, and the way you position your fitness channel is for extreme beginners, not just like people that are kind of fit, but people that have never stepped on a treadmill or never have gone for a run since maybe middle school. If you position your channel that way, a lot more people will be attracted to you because you'll be speaking directly to their problem. The sixth channel idea I kind of already mentioned, but it's a meal planning channel. So this could be meal planning for college students, moms of large families, like I said, or extremely thin people, people that want to bulk up or slim down. Meal planning channels for toddlers, baby meal ideas. As long as you stick to one central theme, your channel has such a greater chance of growing. When you try and reach everybody, you end up reaching nobody. So be super targeted with your videos. The 7th channel idea is an organization channel. So this is a channel that maybe goes through room by room in your home, teaches you how to organize closets, teaches you maybe how to organize in a minimalist fashion, or maybe teaches you how to organize your college bedroom, your dorm room, or even your garage and all your car tools. The possibilities are endless in the organization space. The 8th channel idea is how to grow on social media. So that is partly what this channel is about, but obviously social media, honestly, it's just getting started. Even though it feels like it's taken over, it's really just begun. I feel like everyone is eventually going to go to social media and not use any of the traditional forms of mediums out there. So if you have any knowledge on Instagram growth, YouTube growth, Pinterest, blogging, creating a channel all about that one platform could really grow fast in 2020. The 9th channel idea is home decor tips. So obviously you might assume home decor is oversaturated. I could never grow, especially because maybe you're saying to yourself, I don't have a super beautiful home. I don't have a bunch of money to spend on home decor. Well, you're definitely wrong, because like I said earlier, if you niche down far enough, you could cater to people exactly like you in your circumstance. So maybe instead of just having a generalized home decor, channel, you are really interested in farmhouse home decor and also on a budget, or you're interested in minimalist home decor, which won't cost a lot of money at all. So definitely cater to something that you're interested in, but also make sure it's niched down enough to where you're reaching a certain audience of people that are looking for that specific type of video. The 10th type of channel is a tech review channel. We all have iPhones, we all probably have a computer, and you don't have to have a ton of money to do tech review channels. You can even review apps on your phone or things that you use in your everyday life. The 11th channel idea is a, dietary focused meal planning or food channel. So a vegan food channel, keto is really hot right now, paleo, whatever you call it, things that are very focused on something that you might be very interested in and something that people are actually searching for. So if you just did a random food channel, that would be so generalized, and honestly, it would probably be really hard to grow in 2020 just because it's harder to get found when you try and reach everybody. So drilling down on something that you're really interested in and putting your own spin on your niche is best. The 12th channel idea is kids meal planning. So if you have children in school, and if you will have them in school for the next 10 plus years, you could do toddler lunches or toddler meal ideas for school or preschool, or baby food ideas, different kinds of meal options that might be completely organic. Or if you're really into making everything from scratch, your entire meal planning channel would be everything from scratch. So sauces, salad dressings, everything. So whatever you can do to stand out is definitely key. The 13th channel idea is a cleaning channel. So this is something that when I tell other people in my life that this is popular, they roll their eyes until I show them. And you guys, people are literally, moms particularly, but people in general on YouTube are cleaning their houses and filming it. So if you aren't in the mommy niche, and if you're not familiar, you're probably gonna think I'm crazy, but just look up cleaning video and you will see thousands of viral videos where moms or people will be cleaning their house and filming themselves clean, and other people are so interested because they need motivation to clean their own home that they will get hundreds and millions of views on these videos. The 14th channel idea is a gardening channel. So if you cut your grass outside, if you grow vegetables in your backyard, or if you grow certain types of plants, if you live in maybe a desert environment or a very humid environment, you could niche down that way as well. So yeah, gardening channel would be a great one. The 15th channel idea is a homeschool channel. So if you're a homeschool mom or dad, and if you put together like a homeschool study room, or if you put together packets to help teach your kids in different subjects, you could have a channel centered around homeschool tips for kids, and you could eventually sell your own courses all about how to homeschool effectively. The 16th channel idea is if you have a regular 8 to 5 corporate life, you could have a channel dedicated to getting a job in the corporate world. So you could tell them interview tips and tricks, you could tell them about how to dress, how to speak, how to land their first job in general, or you could just document having your, doctor job, your anesthesiologist job, and what that actually looks like, because you know, a lot of people are searching on YouTube for their specific job, and people are just making random personal lifestyle vlogs, but what can really make you stand out is talking about your special practice and how you can help other people get there. The 17th channel idea is a college-based channel idea. So this wouldn't be something like just daily vlogging. This would be specific to teaching high schoolers how to get into college. So how they can do better on their SATs, or what they need to write as far as like a letter to the school, and how they can position themselves to get into a good college. The 18th channel idea is a meditation channel. Meditation is actually being very popularized in 2019 and 18 and even 2020. And it's something that is just on the rise in the trends. So if you are a person that meditates, even if you use like an app on your phone, you can create guided meditations and post them on YouTube, or you can even teach people how to meditate. The 19th channel idea is having a channel all about travel ideas in your area. So I actually love this one because obviously we all live somewhere, we all live in some city, and even if you don't live in a city people actually want to travel to, there are still people searching on YouTube for things to do in your city. So you could even partner with local hotels, and if you refer someone to their hotel, they might give you an affiliate commission. There are endless ways to make money as someone that recommends travel tips and tricks on YouTube, so that's a great one too. The last channel idea is to have a channel based all around your hobbies. So if you are into fishing, knitting, you know, running, whatever it is, you can have a channel dedicated to your hobby. And like I said earlier, niche down even further. So if you are a person that likes to fish, but you like to fish in the ocean, you could have a channel dedicated to ocean fishing. Or if you're a person that likes to bake, but you only like to bake using gluten-free ingredients, then you could have a channel dedicated to recipes that are all gluten-free. So the options are endless. So that's pretty much it for my channel ideas. I do have a free YouTube success guide that you guys can download below. It basically walks you through how to grow organically on YouTube and also how to make an income. And if you're also interested, I have a free guide that is 9 steps to getting sponsored as a small channel on YouTube. So definitely check this out below. Go ahead and click the like button if you like it, and comment down below what your channel is about. The more weird and random, the better. I love hearing about different channel ideas. So comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.